Our Masters in International Human Resource Management, taught at our Marylebone campus, is CIPD accredited and explores how organisations manage and develop people in a global context. You will explore how international companies navigate cultural, legal and economic differences and learn to apply evidence-based HRM to real management challenges through case studies and problem-based projects. Teaching examines worldwide topics such as expatriate employment, global mobility, employee engagement, and managing change. Practical workshops build essential practitioner skills in areas including interviewing, disciplinary and grievance handling, employment law, and negotiation. You will also hear from industry experts and graduates at our annual HRM conference and benefit from support through Zone 29, our home of careers and enterprise. This course will prepare you for roles such as HR manager, HR business partner, compensation and benefits manager, change management specialist, consultant and mediator. Graduates have gone on to work for leading organisations including BBC, HSBC, KPMG, Google and Transport for London.